click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can bypass FRP lock of any Samsung mobile which have Android 8 or 8.1. Do not connect your Wi-Fi yet, just give your Wi-Fi password to make it ready, but don't connect it yet. Just do it as I am doing here. Now you need to plug your USB cable and open Samsung FRP tool in computer. As you can see, I am just plugging it. It's a little bit loose, so I will fix it, no problem. Yes, it's connected now and it's installing drivers. Wait for the finish of drivers installation and then we will click on bypass FRP. So just wait a little bit. It's installing the drivers. Okay, just click on bypass FRP, click OK. And when you see the message, immediately connect Wi-Fi. Wait for a little bit. When you see the next lines come, you need to immediately connect your Wi-Fi. Wait for the next line. You can see here. Yes, now connect immediately and you will get the pop-up message on screen. Just do same as I did, otherwise you can get YouTube update message, and if you get YouTube update message you can hard reset your mobile and repeat this process again. Hopefully it will work for you. Now we are in browser and we need to find here FRP Faisal. As you can see, search here FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Search right here FRP Faisal and you will get the first link. Here you can see the first link, click on it. Click here and now you will go through my website and go to the scroll down and you will find Technocare settings. Download Technocare settings from here, close and accept. Now click here to download it. It will take a little bit time, depends on your internet speed. Then you need to click on bookmarks and cancel, then history, download history. Here our file is being to download and it will take a little bit time. After download it, we need to install it. Just wait to finish. Now it's downloaded, just click on it, settings, give permission, go back, next, install. Now it's being installed. It will take a little bit time over here. Now just click on done. That's all. Now go back to my website and you can write it on search bar again, FRP Faisal, and go back to my website, and here we need to click on open settings app and it will let you go to settings. Now we need to click on security, other security settings, device admin apps, disable find my device, and that's it. Go back, then go back again and click on apps. We need to disable Google Play services. Click on it, disable it, and that's all. Now we go to back and cloud accounts, add account. Here we need to add Google account. You can give any Gmail ID and password over here. So I am just giving my Gmail ID. Oh, it's mistake again. Now I give my password over here, and our account is added now. You can see our account is added. Now just go back and apps, and we need to enable Google Play services, which we did disable before. Just go back to security and other security settings. Where is here? Other security settings, device admin apps, and we need to enable device find my device, and that's it. Now you just go back to home screen, or you can restart your mobile. Whatever you want you can do, no problem at all. Just we need to set up our mobile, and it will let you go to bypass FRP lock permanently. Now we just need to set up our mobile. So if you connected your Wi-Fi earlier, so you can get YouTube update message. So avoid that YouTube update message. You need to follow these steps. Hopefully it will work for you. If you get again YouTube update message, you can reformat your mobile, and you can bypass that YouTube update message. Now our phone is started up. You just go to settings and need to uninstall the Technocare settings which we installed before, and that's all. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.